This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Tubi app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, first thing that you will need to do is go to the Google Play Store, and then from here just search for Tubi and just tap on the application. And guys, when an application has an update, you will be able to update it over here. And guys, if this method doesn't work, the second solution that you have is just go to the settings. And then over here on the settings, guys, just go to the apps. And then here on the apps, just find Tubi. And then guys, once you have find the Tubi, just go ahead and tap on it. And then from here, just tap on the storage. And guys, make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you will be able to fix the issue on Tubi. And now guys, if this method doesn't work, now let's go to the third solution, is reinstall the application. So guys, first uninstall the application. And then after that, you're gonna go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store. And then from here, guys, just install the application again. And then from there, guys, you'll be able to fix your Tubi application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.